Counterfeiting is a real threat. $4.7 trillion is the estimated global impact for 2022. Counterfeit toner and ink cartridges are illegal, risky, and often of poor quality. For users, risks can include poor printouts and inconsistent page yields, printer damage and downtime, cybersecurity risks, as for example the chip on a fake cartridge could contain malware, or unwitting dealings with criminals. But HP is active against fakes with our Anti Counterfeiting and Fraud, or ACF program. In fact, almost 9 in 10 HP partners confirm that HP's fight against fakes helps their business. HP's ACF team raises awareness and informs traders and customers on counterfeiting. In particular, they can check the hologram of HP's security labels and spot potential counterfeits. In addition, HP cooperates with law enforcement authorities. In the last 5 years, HP supported authorities worldwide to seize more than 30 million counterfeit cartridges and components. And we work with online marketplaces around the world to remove infringing and misleading offers. In the last 5 years alone, more than 900,000 illicit offers have been delisted from major marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Gidior, Mercado Libre, or N11. Also, HP audits its partners randomly and unannounced. These channel partner protection audits help to ensure that customers can purchase at HP partners with peace of mind. If suspicious, customers can request a free customer delivery inspection, or CDI, where HP ACF experts check their delivery for fake cartridges. Visit hp.com/anti-counterfeit to learn more or to request a CDI.